Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the isometric projection. Okay, that is unit number 5 and the weightage for this unit is 16 marks. Okay, now what is mean by isometric drawing? Okay, so isometric drawing is a type of pictorial projection in which all three dimensions of an object are shown in one view, and in if required their actual sizes can be measured directly from it. Okay, that is called as isometric drawing. Okay, now some terms are related to isometric drawings. Okay, so first term is isometric axis. What is meant by isometric axis? For that, one diagram is there. Okay, so in this cube is there. Okay, and the this is AL, okay, AD and the AH, and the angles between these three lines are 120. Okay, so what is meant by isometric axis? So isometric axis means the three lines, that is AL, AD and AH, meeting at a point A. Okay, and making angle 120 degree with each other, and this is called as isometric axis. Okay, so next term is that isometric lines. What is meant by isometric lines? The lines which are parallel to the axis is called as isometric lines. Means जो भी axis है AL, AD and AH, इसको जो पैरेलल लाइंस है उसको बोलते हैं आइसोमेट्रिक लाइंस. ओके, सो एच को पैरेलल है ई एल. ओके, देन ये भी लाइन पैरेलल है, सो दीज आर नथिंग बट आइसोमेट्रिक लाइंस एंड लाइकवाइज. ओके, नेक्स्ट next is isometric planes. What is mean by isometric planes? Okay, isometric planes क्या है? The planes representing the faces of the cube means this face, this face, this face, and behind again three faces. Okay, these are not visible, but these are including in this planes. Okay, so all these faces of the cube as well as other planes parallel to these planes are called as isometric planes. Okay, now next important term is there. What is mean by isometric scale? Okay, for that means we have to draw one diagram here. Okay, firstly we have to draw this line, and with the help of protractor we have to draw 30-degree inclination lena hai, and one more line we have to draw here, and angle between these two lines is 30 degree, and again one more line we have to draw again, and for that line we have to take angle 45 degree. Okay, at 45 degree inclination with this line, and this line is true length. This line is called as true length, means true dimensions of any object. Okay, and when we are taking 30-degree inclination, and this line is called as the isometric length of any object. Okay, so आप लोग यहाँ पे अगर यहाँ पे 1 1 सेंटीमीटर मार्क करते हो, दैट इज योर with the help of scale we have to draw here 1 1 centimeter. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, uh, these slots are having 1 centimeter distances, but when we are means suppose for these points or through these points we have to draw the parallel lines. Okay, up to this isometric length, suppose like this, with the help of scale, this one, this one, this one and this one. Okay, and when we are measuring this slot means suppose यहाँ पे नेमिंग दिया है A B C D E F. okay, यहाँ पे आएगा A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. Okay, when we are measuring this is having 1 centimeter distance, but when we are measuring this slot, this is less than 1 centimeter. Okay, this is less than 1 centimeter, and for this we have to multiply by factor, and that factor is 0.816. okay, into true length, and then we get the isometric length. Means every time for getting of isometric length, one factor is there, 0.816 into true length. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now next is types of isometric drawings. Okay, next term is types of isometric drawings. Okay, in this there are main two types. First is isometric view. isometric view, and second is isometric projections. Isometric projections. Okay, so isometric view means object is drawn by true scale. Object is drawn by true scale, true length or true scale. Okay, and with two dimensions. And isometric projections means object is drawn by using isometric scale, or we can say that reduced scale. Reduced scale. ओके, रिड्यूस स्केल कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है वो ऊपर बताया मैंने. 0.816 इंटू ट्रू डायमेंशंस, और वी कैन से दैट ट्रू लेंथ. ओके, दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके, मीन्स एक्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट कैसे ड्रॉ करना है, वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.